So part of the fun of Lemons is bringing your camper and camping in the paddock and being there all weekend. And part of the fun of Lemons is putting stuff onto a racetrack that totally doesn't belong on a racetrack. And part of the fun is combining those things together like Speedy Cup did for the greatest road racing vehicle of all time.
So Speedy Cup's camper was super awesome, and it inspired a series of Lemons road racing campers. Spank, of course, had to get in on the action. He bought, sight unseen, a Toyota Chinook. It was like a 74. It was parked in somebody's yard, 18R motor. He drove it from his home outside of San Diego, California, all the way to Heartland Park in Kansas for a race in 2019. It was drinking oil like crazy, but it's a Toyota, so it just kind of ran. It was stock and looked awesome on track. He won the IOE in it.
But of course, stock isn't the only way to go. Chris Overzet had already built a camper for this thing. What he did, he took a Mazda pickup truck, he put a slide-in camper and attached that all really well, thank goodness. But he said, well, this is gonna be too slow, so I'm gonna put in a V8 engine and this thing is gonna rock. It totally did not rock. It was probably slower than the Chinook with the regular Toyota motor in it, but it looked fantastic.
And finally, realizing the dream of speed plus camper, Black Iron Racing, they took their E36 chassis BMW, grafted a 70s era camper body onto the back. That car also has a V8 swap, but because it's a BMW and not, a Mazda pickup, it can actually get around a road course pretty well. And it's challenged for an overall win at a Lemons race. It hasn't won yet, but if it does, it would be super awesome. Why? Because you say, yeah, all you need to do to win a Lemons race, bring a BMW V8 swap, camper body on the back.
Yeah, and best of all about the Black Iron car is they went to great lengths for most of the racing time to have curtains fluttering in the breeze everywhere that they went. It's that kind of attention to detail that gets you in the running for an overall win. All right, everybody, we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching, Lemons.
Don't forget to subscribe.